shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a bomb voluminous twist out. So I figured that I'd show you guys. Actually, if you haven't been here before, my name is Kayla Milan. I am a lifestyle YouTuber. I talk about Jesus, talk about hair, beauty, etc. and I share my life with you guys. So if you like content like that, then make sure you hit that red button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get a notification for all my uploads. Not one, not two, not three. All my uploads, and that's on period. So let's get right into the video. Right now, today is Monday. Last time I checked the clock, it was 12:34. I had a huge exam today and my class got canceled. It got moved to tomorrow, and I have a doctor's appointment at 3 o'clock. So I figured I'd take this time to show you guys a bomb twist out that I didn't get a chance to show you guys in my last video using CGC's products, which I haven't used in a while. Make sure you guys go check out CGC's website. I'll be sure to link the website down below in the description box and also right here. So let's get right into the video. Hope you guys like this video. So here I am starting with a full dry head full of hair. I said a full twice, sorry. And I'm gonna start putting my hair into sections using all these little hair ties. I usually start out with 5 to 6 sections. Since this is a voluminous twist out, we're not really focusing on definition today. We're really focusing more on volume. So you're not really going to see me doing small twists. However, I will be doing a separate video for you guys showing how I do a more defined twist out. So I actually like to steam my hair using the Q-Redew steamer and stretch out my hair. I actually sprayed some water on my hair before this. I forgot to show you guys, but you'll see it later on in the video. But there are so many benefits to steaming your hair this way. I'll actually put a link down in the description box below on where to get this product, the Q-Redew steamer, and also list some benefits here. I also like to do a little bit of finger detangling, as you will see throughout the video, because this also helps with preventing less breakage. After this, I like to go in with Curly Girl Central's Hydration Curl Refresher. So I follow the LCO method, so liquid, cream, and then seal in that moisture with some oil. So this is my liquid, along with the water that I also used earlier. Then I like to go in and detangle, and I absolutely love this spray because the mint and the aloe is just perfect. Then I go in with Curly Girl Central's Miracle Curl Styling Cream. Now, y'all, this actually smells so good. I love using it on my hair. It's so moisturizing. And so as I distribute it into my hair, you see I'm using prayer hands to distribute the product evenly into my hair, making sure that it's evenly distributed as I said before. And I also like to go in with Curly Girl Central's Lock in That Moisture hair oil to lock in that moisture so I don't have dry hair again. I really like this method and it really works out for me, and I really hope that you try it as well, because I feel like my hair comes out so soft and my twist outs come out so bomb. Like the twist out that I have for my gender reveal, like it was so nice, so nice. I'd also like to point out here that, as you can see, when I twist, I'm making sure that I'm twisting pretty tight around my roots, even though these are bigger twists compared to what I would normally do for a more defined twist out. So now moving on to the next section, and I'll be putting out different things that could really help you if you're not doing it in your hair routine already, that you should definitely try. But for the most part, it's pretty basic. I have noticed that my hair is a lot softer and it's growing a lot more since I've been using the steamer, and since I've also been using CGC's hair growth oil, which you will also see me use later on in this video. One thing I would like to add is that it is definitely time for me to get my ends cut. And I'd also like to note too that I actually accidentally cut my hair while I was taking out my soft locks. You've seen my soft locks in previous videos, so some parts of my hair are shorter than others, and I've been using CGC's products to help me get my growth back, and so far it's been working pretty fast. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. But girl, it's also time for me to get my ends cut. And you know how I know? I had such a hard time brushing and combing through my hair. Of course, when I'm done with all my twists, I go in with Curly Girl Central's New Growth Hair Oil and put that all in my scalp so that my hair can grow while I keep this protective style in for a day or two. I also put on my bonnet from Curly Girl Central and tighten it up so that the oil doesn't leak from my scalp, and I'm off to bed. And now it is the next day, and I start by taking off my bonnet and using Curly Girl Central's Color Refresher spray to just moisten my hair a bit, and then I also go in with the oil and begin taking out the twists. I'm carefully untwisting my twist the same way that I twisted it. Sounds like a tongue twister, but this helps keep definition. I'm also going to go ahead and fluff out and pull apart my roots to get rid of those sections so I have a nice full round shape. I also just wanted to point out that earlier you did see me rub oil on my hands, and I'm doing that continuously as I take out my twist because, again, when you put oil on your hands and take out your hair, that helps with having frizz-free curls. So then I like to go in with Curly Girl Central's Color Refresher one more time as I go forth and separate my sections and also pick out my hair to get that volume that we need. I'm really just picking the roots and, you know, again, carefully just picking apart my sections. My hands are still pretty much covered with oil so I don't cause any frizz. You see me fluffing it out here. Oh my gosh, wow, child. So you basically see me fluffing out my hair and getting it as voluminous as I want it before I begin styling my hair, which you will see pretty soon. I actually lost my comb, so I decided to go forth and form a small little part with my pick. I decided to just leak it down with some gel. I decided not to use clips today. I'm using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. I really do like this gel. Haven't noticed any flaws or flaking with it yet since I just started using it, but my look is now complete. So we are all styled, and this is a voluminous twist out. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.